Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and then sift the flour into a mixing bowl and add 1/2 cup of white sugar and brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. And mix it well to combine and set aside. Blend your zucchini in a food processor or shred with a grater. Prepare your flax egg. Buy 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, meal with 3 tablespoons of hot water, and allowing it to sit for about a minute to become gluey. Then add the olive oil, vanilla extract, unsweetened almond milk, apple cider vinegar to the mixing bowl along with your flax egg. And mix it well into a thick batter. And add your zucchini. If you are finding it difficult to mix it all in properly, then let the batter rest for a couple of minutes, and the moisture from the zucchinis will seep through the batter. So when you mix it again, it should all come together. And add the broken up walnuts and mix to combine. And spray a muffin tray with nonstick spray and divide the butter evenly between the muffin cups. And once you're done filling them up, place into the oven and bake for 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of one of the muffins comes out clean. And once it's cooked, remove the muffins from the tray and transfer to a wire cooking rack to cool.